Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on data analytics. As per reference of my friend told me that DuckDB is very well suited for data analytics. Lot of complex queries are solved using data analytics. Lot of graphs can be drawn easily using DuckDB. So DuckDB is very well suited for data analytics. We have gone through plenty of videos on DuckDB, such as introduction to DuckDB using Python, then DuckDB with Streamlit using Python, then Python DuckDB bar chart, and introduction to DuckDB, and many more. So today's video is really creative and interesting. It is about transferring of JSON file into pandas data frame. In previous video we have seen that dashboard using pandas with data frame. So in this video we are going to transform JSON file into pandas data frame and this thing. So we will go through the first JSON file, that is sample.json file. This is JSON file. Now we will go through the program code. Libraries need to be installed. DuckDB is there. Then here we transfer JSON file into data frame. Here we transfer JSON file into data frame, and afterwards we don't need to read it again when filtering the changes. Here when filtering the changes, here, and we have registered data frame in SQL. Here we have registered data frame in SQL, that category, region and date, and dashboard using Streamlit. Now I will execute the program. So we have scatter plot, bar chart and line chart. Actually scatter plot is not little bit visible, but it is there. So I will execute the program using Streamlit. Yes, and a nice screen is displayed in front of you. So from JSON to dashboard, DuckDB SQL, this is the query, generated SQL query. This is bar chart. Here is scatter plot. It is little bit visible, but still it is visible. And this is line chart. So three graphs are there. So now I will select the category, electronics, fine. Then select region, north and south. We will see that. Yes. So scatter is also there, bar chart and line. Now I will select furniture. Then instead of south and north, I will go with east and west. Yes. But here line chart is not there. We will change it. Yes, line chart is there. North and south. Yes, line chart is there, and scatter plot is also there, north and south. And this is bar chart, and this is query generated output, query 2 rows, and this is the query. So you can do DuckDB is very good for complex queries. Now I will take clothing. Clothing doesn't have so much chart. I will have clothing. In clothing I will take north and south. Instead of 20 I will take 12. Yes, here's query is only 6 ID6 and no, little bit. What I will do, instead of north and east, north and west, yes, line chart is not coming. So here query east and south. Okay, south, only bar chart is coming. The query output is only single row, that's why. 24 instead of south I will go west. For clothing it is not showing, little bit. Furniture we have taken, furniture east and west. Furniture north and south. Yes, yes, line is coming. So I successfully done with DuckDB using Streamlit with complex queries. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on data analytics with different complex queries with graph and different types of graph. Here I shown 3 graphs. So for latest update about YouTube channel, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Node.js with MySQL, Node.js with MongoDB, and if possible Node.js with SQLite, and if possible Node.js with DuckDB. So keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Don't forget to subscribe my channel after watching this video. Thanks for watching.